The Supreme Court is a power judicial proceeding of the country, with many of its landmark judgments either followed to the dot or at worst surpassed, resulting into limited implementation gap.
All pending trials before the courts martial involving civilians must immediately cease.
The January 31st landmark ruling against the legality of the military court-martial hangs in balance, with the Commander-in-Chief Yoweri Museveni challenging it.
He has no intention whatsoever to implement any decision of court unless it favors him. He doesn't want a stronger judiciary. He doesn't want a stronger civil service. Yeah, he wants puppets whom he can use. That is the problem.
And then so the Supreme Court, as the highest judicial authority, has the mandate to interpret the law, and its decisions are final and binding. So, Your Excellency, when you claim that Uganda is not governed by judges but by the people, it is a bit misleading. The people govern through laws, and judges are entrusted with interpreting these laws to ensure justice prevails. So any disagreement with the court decision should actually be addressed through legal means, such as appeals or constitutional amendments, not through public rebuke or even political influence over the judiciary.
Although this has been the latest landmark ruling, the Supreme Court has been passing remarkable rulings on the presidential election petitions that proposed adoption and implementation of electoral reforms which have up to date not seen light of day, despite the country preparing for the 2026 general elections.
Comprehend and understand, Your Excellency, that the 1995 Constitution of Uganda is the supreme law of the land, binding all authorities, including the executive, the judiciary and the legislature. Particularly if you look at Article 126.1, that says that judicial power is derived from the people and shall be exercised by the what? By the court established under this constitution.
There was a Sehud case on the poor medical services, and there were recommendations in that case of Sehud on what should do to right to health and so on. None of that has been implemented.
And these are the things, by the way, that you fought for, Your Excellency. So we are just strictly, operating within the prisms of the vision that you have. The argument that military courts help to discipline, for example, karamoja, is an admission that these courts were actually used as tools of repression rather than justice. The rule of law cannot be sacrificed for expediency.